Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doogee T20 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then find the sounds. Now we have to take a look at this section. We've got both tablet ringtones for both SIMs. I will pick the first one, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we will be transferred to this list of the ringtones which are installed by default. At the top, we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got the other ringtones. So if you will have any files, for example, downloaded or recorded, they will appear right there or in any other folder, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back here, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example, and you can hear it and decide if you like it or not. And if you like it, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone, at least in the SIM one, to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Doogee T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.